For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourself, it is the gift of God. Ephesians chapter 2 verses 8. Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Mackerel is one fish we do consume a lot, and one of the best ways to enjoy it is to spicy grill it. This is popularly known in Ghana as Shitolo, and it's absolutely delicious. I am super excited to share how I make mine with you. Please stay tuned. Let's enjoy together. So these are the list of ingredients. I have here my fresh mackerel fish, and for the marinade I'll be using some boiled pepper, chili pepper, habanero pepper, a bit of lime, ginger, garlic, my fish seasoning, olive oil and salt. I will be pairing this with some banku. So we have our cassava dough and corn dough ready. So let's get started. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and slightly blend all the ingredients that I mentioned earlier on. As you can see, it's not smoothly blended, and that's how you want it to be. So once you're done, you go ahead and grate a bit of your lemon zest. It's very powerful for this grill. Just grate quarter part of your lemon and you'll be good to go. Once done, squeeze out the juices from your lemon. Just one lemon will be fine, and all you have to do is mix everything together and your marinade is done. This is so good. It's now time for us to clean our fish. I'm going to cut off the head and clean out the guts, and all that I would do afterwards is to wash it with cold water and lemon juice. The fish has been washed really well. It's now time for us to apply our marinade. I really want you to be generous with it. It is very important to put in some of the marinade in the stomach or the belly area. It's going to season your fish really well. Okay, so good. And no, I did not throw the head of the fish away. I'll also go ahead and marinate the head part as well. I love those head, I love the head. I enjoy the head of the fish all the time. I'll marinate it very well, as you can see here, and I'll allow it to rest for about 45 minutes while I'll go ahead and prep for my banku. So for my banku, I mixed my corn dough and cassava dough together, added lots of water and salt, mix everything together, and I just went ahead to cook it. Do not worry, I'll bring a step-by-step recipe of how to achieve a very soft and fluffy banku. So right now we are done with our banku. I love to make sure that that is going first before I go ahead with my fish, because the fish really do not take that much time. So our banku is ready, very hot and just so soft. Just look at this. So as we're done with here, we are going ahead to grill our fish. I decided to charcoal grill it because I wanted that smokiness in this fish. You can choose to also use your oven, air fryer, whichever way works really well. Okay, so now you go ahead and place them on your grill, and if you're using a charcoal grill, please make sure that the heat is not too high, neither it is too low. Okay, it should be moderate, and do not forget to be spreading your marinade as it grills or cooks through. Okay, it is just the best way to have your mackerel fish. Absolutely delicious. So one thing about mackerel fish, it's very oily, so as you're grilling you will realize that there is lots more of that smokiness. Also experience lots of flames coming out. That is because of the oil in the fire, and it's totally okay. Do not worry if you experience that. Okay, make sure your fire is on a moderate heat and you'll be good to go. Turn them every 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that your fish does not burn. I like to also cover it just so that the smokiness and everything is well infused in the fish. Absolutely good. After 20 to 25 minutes, our fish is ready. These are fireworks, man. Oh, smells so good, and this has really taken me way back home. Look at that. They are so good and they are resting very well on these banana leaves. Gorgeous. About 20 minutes of proper charcoal grilling, our fish is done. They are looking absolutely beautiful, and the fragrance and the smokiness is all that I was longing for. It's so good. Of course, we have our shitolo and our red pepper also representing. Our nice and soft banku is also sitting pretty over there. Oh boy, did we had a very good lunch on this day. I really need you to try it, and you are not going to regret it at all. Bring us to the end of this recipe. Thank you so much, family, for sticking with me right to the end. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Please be sure to give me a like if you enjoyed this recipe, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.